Build every year goes on an international trip because that's the only chance you get to see the clinics in action. I got to go to Honduras, and we have 3 Texas Aggie medical clinics.
It's built up on a high in a mountain, and when the clinic was first deployed there, it was a very, very small community.
What did this place look like before this clinic was there? You see right over there, that's the road. And there was a bus that came up once a week at 2 p.m. And if you missed the bus, you had to walk to the doctor's office. And we're like, well, how far is the doctor's office? It's about 4 to 6 hours walking downhill. We're like, wow. And he's like, with this Texas Aggie Medical Clinic, they don't have to walk that far. This community that their families were based on generations upon generations, they don't have to risk moving to go to a place that's closer to medical care. They have it right here.
The mission of Build is to unite the Texas A&M student body, but we're building these communities across the world, literally building communities around this Texas Aggie Medical Clinic that's in Honduras.
It truly changed how I perceived the world and what I can do as, a Texas A&M Aggie. And so combined with, that visit at the Texas Aggie Medical Clinic and having that experience, I realized that Build members and Texas A&M Aggies, they're truly selfless. It doesn't matter if there's a big camera on you, or it doesn't matter if you're doing it in front of a whole student body to look good. You're doing this because this is the right thing to do, and you're operating as a force for good.